Hey y'all, this is a video of me crocheting, a crochet with me vlog. Right now I'm making not me, oh my gosh, I'm making my daughter a ruffle hat. So like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on her head. She don't really like to wear nothing on her head, so she ready to pull it off. So I gotta hurry up, gotta laugh, giggle, hee hee, ha ha, and y'all take a look. Hurry now, cause she's ready. Told y'all she's ready to take it off. I think Dream actually likes her hat. What do y'all think? The ruffles need to be ruffling a little bit more, so I think I'm gonna add 1 or 2 more. So you guys, this is the hat on Dream. Right now, I'm gonna add. What you say, Dream? I think I want to add 3 or 2 more rows because down here it's giving ruffle. Look, it's doing what it's supposed to, but Dream wants music on. Coming up next, the Dustmobile vlog. This car is very dusty around the radio, but I'll just put y'all back in the glove compartment and continue the video because this isn't about the dusty car. This is about the pretty pink hat. Dream is a high needs baby, but she's very highly intelligent. She loves the radio, and you know YouTube love to copyright you, so that's why I keep on turning the sound on and off, on and off. Let me know if y'all want me to do a video of me crocheting in real time because I could do another ruffle hat. I have light pink that I want to do next for Dream to go with her Juicy Couture outfit, and this is the hot pink one that I'm finishing up right now. Making ruffle hats is fun, but ladies, let me tell you, and fellas too, because I know y'all do some crocheting, let me tell you, it just take a little time because there's so many stitches going into one stitch after you finish that first row. Well, you know what I mean, when you doing that row. Now that I'm a little further up in the hat, I don't have to put so many stitches into that row because I already laid that path. Now I'm only doing 1 stitch into the row like you normally would do a hat. Dream with the phone takeover. Dream is such a cheerful baby. She loves to dance and listen to her music, and she's really doing it today. Check out my baby's dance moves. Go, Dream, go, Dream, go. That is her part for real, y'all. That is her part. But these are the moments you don't want to miss, and it's come to make me realize I needed to make things easier for myself. And my idea is to turn my hobby into an income by selling what I make online. Shopify is like my go-to website, but now I'm focusing on Amazon, and I'm trying to do both. So if you're a single mom looking for ways to make money without having to sacrifice time away from your kids, I would highly recommend you look into creating your own business. It's not easy. If you're gonna do your thing, being an entrepreneur, especially when you're a mom, but I'm determined to make this work. There are definitely some days when balancing being a single mom and entrepreneur become overwhelming, but that's part of the challenge. My goal in life is to be in full control of my income and success. I'm ready to take on this new journey with a positive attitude and open mind. I know there will be challenges along the way, but I'm prepared to face them head on. It's very soothing to pick up a crochet hook. I advise that you do something you love so you never have to work a day in your life. Isn't that what they always say? This is something I love. This is what I'm doing. Dream is kind of chilling, doing her own thing. High needs babies usually don't self-soothe, but right now she's self-soothing and people are passing by with the baby waving at me. So, hey, believe it or not, now I know y'all see this. This little girl will take the phone from me and try to record her own videos. She's coming out with more videos, and they're going to be called The Day in the Life of a Baby Content Creator because she knows how to handle the phone. It's like natural. I'm coming in a little bit to show y'all them details. Why am I holding up my knitting project so hard? I just kind of wanted to show y'all how it's looking. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at Shop Soloherself. Yes, and my regular Instagram is _Soloherself. I'm making a crochet ruffle hat, just in case you didn't know that from the beginning of the video. Dream is not letting up, y'all. I had to look this song up on my phone on YouTube. At first, she was just listening to the radio, but she wanted to hear it again. So here I am, turning it on the phone and getting it started for her so she could be comfortable and chill out. I usually can finish a hat in no time, but this hat has been taking me a little bit of time because I've been going through it a little bit. But I'm going to show y'all the details. Look at it when I turn it around. The ruffle edges are getting longer and longer, prettier and prettier. Making items for you and your family is a little bit different than just starting to sell them. If you start selling your own patterns and stuff like that, you need to make sure that it's going to fit people or they're going to be upset. Just like if they got a shirt that didn't fit or an outfit that didn't fit and they were a little bit taller, they're going to get upset. So you got to make sure that all the sizes are correct. Let me know in the comments down below if you like me doing voiceovers or if you would just like to hear music or if you would like to hear the natural sound that was going on in the video. I just really kept on muting it, like I said, because of the music. I didn't want to get copyrighted and Dream wanted to listen to her music. So I figured, hey, I could do a voiceover and talk about different subjects that I want to talk about and do a little talking about crocheting. Right now I'm using a 5mm hook. It is on the smaller side. I normally use a 6mm hook, so I'm going to try to make this hat again with a 6mm hook before I add it to my Amazon store because these hats are going to go on Amazon and I am going to make them different sizes for babies and adults. Next, I'm going to mix in some green because green is my favorite color and I believe this hat will look good on me. This hat though is making me want to make more hats, maybe with some pom-poms coming up next. Sometimes I'm at a loss of energy and I'm just tired. Look at me, just tired. I really need me a Red Bull, but I ain't gonna do it. Y'all seen the 222? It was an angel number, and that was Dream when I first gave birth to her. She was in the little baby thing, and the lady helped me take a picture, so I put it on my screen. High needs baby usually drink milk a lot. Dream drinks milk a lot for comfort, and she's still breastfeeding, so I think it's okay. After Dream got done nursing, she wanted to get in the back seat because she likes to step on her car seat, and we're currently doing some waiting on someone in the car, so I said, why not? I am trying to show you a little bit more of me finishing some of the hat. It does take me more time to finish projects now, but I do believe that I could finish a product in one day quick as I used to if I just sit down and really take the time to do it. Dream does take little bitty naps. Not too many naps, but sometimes she's really active. You know, high needs babies is always active. At this point, I'm thinking maybe just one more row because when I was trying it on her earlier, I don't want it to be too heavy, but I do want it to give enough ruffle look to, you know, look like it's ruffled, look like it's complete, look like it's done, look like it's supposed to be looking, okay? Dream wants a fruit snack right now. She loves to go in her diaper bag, especially my purse. If y'all watch me on here, y'all can watch a video of her going through my purse. But in the meantime, check out this yarn bag I got. I've been putting my stuff in that bag. A couple colors I want to work with so I can stay a little organized. And I don't bring all my yarn out at once. These are some sun-kissed fruit snacks, and I think she really likes them. Well, not so much so, because she hasn't had them that often. She only had another one before this, and it wasn't today. Don't worry, I'm not like hyping the baby up off her fruit snacks. And they're keeping her attention for a little while. I didn't think they was tasting that bad. They had a little different taste to them, though. But I wouldn't just not grab them again. I like the Sun-Kissed. I usually like the Welch's, but they had Sun-Kissed, so I was going with those. Right now, you can see me crocheting. As you can see, I do crochet a little bit fast. I got a little speed on me. You know, you see me. Yeah, you see me. But who likes to crochet without looking? I like to crochet without looking when I'm watching TV and I don't want to miss a show. And when I need to look back at my daughter and see what she's doing, I can continue my project and monitor what she has going on. So it's never a time where I'm not paying attention. I'm always paying attention. You know, OG, well, when I was at the gas station one day, OG told me, peep game, check play, pay attention every day. And it's always stuck with me. And let me say it one more time for y'all who couldn't hear it. Peep game, check play, pay attention every day. And I was out late night when he told me that. So, yeah, that's just a little game for y'all. If y'all ain't got no game, ain't nobody ever said that, because that's what he said. By this time, Dream is all over the back seat. What's behind me is her diaper bag. As y'all can see, I moved my purse because my purse is like my little entrepreneur bag, and it'd be a lot of stuff up in there, but her diaper bag only got safe stuff for her. So I'm letting her ramble through her diaper bag a little bit, and I'm showing y'all the details on the hat. Look at them hat views. Now you see how it's starting to curl, and it's giving ruffle. But that end is starting to be longer. That's what I'm going for, y'all. The ruffle look that's on that side, not the shorter ruffle look on the other side. My favorite thing and my advice to anybody watching this is don't move faster, move smarter. Starting with simple projects and taking your time is the key. And remember to do everything with love, and everything will work out for the better. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content like this. And let me know if y'all like this crochet along with me video. I did enjoy it. I did enjoy recording it, but let me tell y'all, the memory on my phone, honey, is not doing anything for me. I should have got a phone with more storage, but since I did it, I'm about to try to find ways around it. So in the next upcoming videos, you'll see me talking about that, and you might see me struggling to upload, but I'm going to upload as much as possible. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to find a way to have more storage. I found something on Amazon that I'm going to order to have more storage, and then I upped my iCloud so that I can save everything to my files, and then I can have it and delete stuff off my phone. You can't just save the stuff to your iCloud, iPhotos, because then when you delete it off your phone, you deleted it all. And I'm not going to do that. I am going to save stuff to my files so that I can have it later, like in my file cabinet. And we're going to keep this going, okay? Okay. Y'all, Dream is ready to have some juice. She usually wants to share with me. Look how she's looking. She's smiling. Such a giving baby. And she's ready to give it back to me, but she's going to take a little sippity sip. Oop. No, she didn't throw that at me on purpose. And then try to look away. Gonna grab her phone. I wonder who she thinking about calling. But y'all, this is the ending of the video. It's not much more for us to discuss in this video. If you want to leave some comments and let me know what type of content you want me to have coming up. And I know one thing's for sure, I am going to have a hair video because my hair, look at it, it's just all over the place. It's time to do something with it. I just be sticking it on the top of my head, just trying to get ready to do other stuff. But I'm tired of this little high bun ponytail thing I got going here or whatever. It is what it is. Let me not just talk mess like this. But I promise y'all, I will have more uploads coming. I'm going to start trying to upload daily. Daily is what's going to work for me. Daily is what's going to keep me motivated. Daily is what's going to keep me determined. Daily is what's going to keep me in front of the camera, looking better, feeling better, doing better. I'm going to do this, y'all. I'm going to get this done. I have to. Forever and always. Bye-bye.